front of me is Motorola Edge 16 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll to hit the gestures. Now, select one-handed mode, and if you are using trickiest navigation, you need to switch it to gestures to use this method or wait a few seconds. If you are using gestures though, make sure this switcher is on. I will change mine real quick to show you. Full screen into reach is set up, and then swipe down from the bottom of your screen to enter one-handed mode whenever you want to. Go back by swiping up or clicking on this area at the top. To switch it off, use the same switcher. If you are using 3-button navigation though, scroll down in this section to use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Tap on Customize button to pick the best option for you. Location of your floating button. Size of it. And more. Like fades when not in use. Either way, you can now click on it whenever you want to enable or disable one-handed mode. If you wanna, you can go back by clicking on this area at the top or tapping on the button again. Whenever you want to disable this feature on your phone, use the same switcher until it's grey. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!